YouTube. This is Andy again with a video, a vlog, or whatever you want to call it. The last vlog I made, I was talking about the computer I'm planning to build. So with this video, I decided I should talk about the computer that I built already. So first I'm going to go over the parts list and then talk about how I did this and when I did it. So as I mentioned before in the previous video, I am visually impaired and I'm using a screen magnification program to magnify the screen so that I can more effectively read what's on the screen. So here we go. To start off is the Intel Core i5 4670K 3.4 GHz quad core processor. That is the CPU that I used in this build. Next up is the Asus B85 M-E/CSM Micro ATX LGA1150 motherboard. The RAM is Corsair Vengeance 4GB 1x4GB DDR3 1600 memory. For storage is Western Digital Black Series 1TB 0.5 7200 RPM internal hard drive. For the case is the Corsair Vengeance C70 Black ATX mid tower case. And for somebody like me who's visually impaired, to build a computer, I needed to feel out how the motherboard goes into its place and how everything else goes into place as well. So this case provided me with a lot of space for me to my hands move around and feel how everything is. So powering system is the Corsair CX 600 watt 80 plus bronze certified semi-modular ATX power supply and an Asus Blu-ray drive. I'm not entirely sure if this is the exact drive that was used, but it's similar to it. And the operating system that I first used when I built this system is Windows 7 Pro, and then last year I upgraded it to Windows 10 Pro, and that's what's on the system right now. So as I mentioned before, I am A+ certified, and I did a program sponsored by the state, Commission for the Blind, where I took a course for the A+, taught by one of their vendors, and the computer teacher and the teacher who taught the class picked out these parts for us. We didn't get to choose the parts ourselves, which to me is both good and bad. It's good because it's a good system. It's bad because it didn't really show us how to pick out the parts on our own. But hopefully by doing the build I plan to do over the summer, I'm learning how to pick out the parts for myself right now. So that's basically it. So basically the story how I built this was in a class. It took me a couple days to build it because the class was 3 hours a day, 3 times a week. And I had no experience building a computer whatsoever. So this was my first build. And I still have it today. It's still looking great. I use this build for light gaming, like Minecraft, Sims 3. I've also installed a Harry Potter game on there because I have one, so why not play it. I've also made mixes on there. So I have Virtual DJ on there. And the rest of my family uses it as well. So it's a computer I built and it became a family computer. So it's being put to good use. It's great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see me talk about more computer related content, put a like in the video, and your input is appreciated as well. And tomorrow I'll be uploading a new mix, which is a replacement for my Soca party mix that I made last week. That video got a copyright claim, so I removed it. I'll be putting up a new one tomorrow. Also, in the last video I made, I used an intro. That intro was made by my cousin Joey Saifu, who also has his own channel, and you guys should check him out. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.